quick breather after nung after ng tricep push down natin, Miss Lilac, is ito, mag-bicep curls naman tayo. Bicep curl push, press, yan. So, 5 to 10 pounds. So, lift, ito hammer curl. From your hammer curl, press tayo all the way up. Reset, release. So, 10 repetitions. Check. Curl, press, down, reset. So, hammer curl. Tapos, pagdating dito, slide forward, shoulders back, slide forward yung elbow, tapos press, twist, reset, reset. Okay, so may half turn na mangyayari pagdating sa taas. Okay, open, again, open natin, hindi pantay, slide, slightly forward, up, press, release, reset. Ay, sumabit. So, ganun gagawin natin, pakita natin, profile, harap, up, press, reset, reset. Exhale, up. Okay. Now, hindi natin itataas yung traps natin, ha? Keep your shoulders slide down, away from your ears. Tapos base, knees, press. Okay. So, compound movement, working your bicep, arms, shoulders. So, importante dito din yung legs natin para mas stable yung base natin. So, 10 repetitions and then quick rest. Tapos balik tayo sa tricep. Push down.